2009 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.